Greeting. Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 of the 30-day English communication series. Today, we will learn how to communicate in a restaurant. Goal. After this video, you will know how to reserve a table, order, pay, and use common phrases when eating at restaurants. Let's get started. Menu.
Menu.
Appetizer.
Appetizer.
Main course.
Main course.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Drink.
Drink.
Tip.
Tip.
Bill.
Bill.
Now let's get to the common phrases. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like to order. I'd like to order.
I'd like to order.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Is service included? Is service included?
Is service included?
Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Hello, I'd like to book a table for 2, please.
Sure, what time would you like to come?
At 7 p.m.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken and a glass of water. What do you recommend?
The seafood pasta is very popular.
Okay, I'll try that. Can I have the bill, please?
Here you are.
Is service included?
Yes, it is. Conversation.
Good evening. Do you have a table for 2?
Yes, please follow me. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you are.
I'd like to order the steak and a glass of red wine.
Great choice. I'll bring your order soon. Conversation 2.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure, here you are.
Does this include service charge?
Yes, it does.
Here's the payment. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's practice. Exercise 1. Write a short dialogue about ordering and paying in a restaurant. Exercise 2. Record a video pretending you are ordering food at a restaurant in English and share it with the group or comment.
Summary. Today, we learned how to communicate in a restaurant. Practice regularly to be more confident. Announcement. Tomorrow, we will learn how to ask for directions and give directions. Don't forget to follow along and do the exercises. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.